Welcome to 912 Glenridge Lane here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hi, I'm Steve Azadorian with the Home Squad of eXp Realty, and today we are in the Nashville suburb called Bellevue. Now, Bellevue sits about 20 minutes west of downtown Nashville. And today we have a great home to show you. At just over 2,600 square feet, this home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and many, many updates. Although the home was built in 2002, you have updated flooring, kitchen appliances, you have a newer roof, HVAC, and a whole lot more. So let's go on inside and have a look. I can't wait to show it to you. Come on. Well, that wraps up our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Isn't that a beautiful home? Now, if you'd like more information or if you'd like to set up a private tour, you can click those links below or you can email us at info@nashvillehomesquad.com. Thanks again.